Hello friends, are you craving for spicy restaurant style appetizer but can't go out? Here is amazing and easy 10 minutes recipe for you all. Trust me guys, this recipe is very amazing and tasty. Let's start to make spicy bread chili. Here I have taken 3 pieces of breads. Remove sides of all breads and then cut them into small pieces as per your choice of size. I have made around 6 equal pieces. Now I will make batter for breads. Take 3 spoon rice flour. Add salt to taste and pinch of black pepper. Gradually add little water and stir to make lump-free batter with thick consistency. Usually we use cornstarch for batter. I have used rice flour which will give you better and crispy taste. Now you can see its thick consistency and our batter is ready. Take oil in pot for frying and make it hot. Dip bread piece in batter, coat it with batter nicely from all sides like this. Gently release into hot oil for frying. Be careful at this stage, oil is hot. Flip them gently and fry from all sides. Fry for 1 to 2 minutes or until it turns light golden color. Fried nicely and looking golden brown. Let's keep it on paper towel to absorb extra oil. Repeat this process for all bread pieces. You will see it has become crispy. Do you want to hear how much crispy it sounds? Wait, let me show you. Yes, it's very crispy. Now for the chili element, make the cornstarch slurry. Take 1 spoon cornstarch, add 2 to 3 spoon water, mix it well. This cornstarch slurry we will use later. Let's prepare sauce now. Keep pan on medium hot and add 1 spoon oil. Add 1 chopped garlic, 1 chopped chili and 1 spoon chopped onion. Saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Along with this, I am adding diced capsicum, chopped carrots and cubed onion. You may adjust quantities as per your choice. Now I will also cook sauces with this. Add 2 tablespoons tomato sauce. This sauce will give you little sweet taste. 1 tablespoon soya sauce, this will give little savory taste. And half spoon Szechuan sauce, this will give spicy taste to our sauce. We are making this spicy. If you like less spicy, reduce Szechuan sauce quantity. We have to balance all the sauces nicely. This is perfect measurement to make nice tasty sauce. You can see our description box for measurements. Add cornstarch slurry to the pan. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons water, mix it well. Add pinch of black pepper and salt to taste. We already have salt in soya sauce and Szechuan sauce, so add little salt at this stage. Stir it nicely, let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can see our sauce is ready, it is looking smooth like silk. Add fried bread pieces and mix them together. Cook for a minute, Garnish with finely chopped spring onion grains. That's all. Serve hot. Subscribe my channel and enjoy your dish. Thanks for watching.